Hi there. I'll try and show you how to play tala, which is a song by the Punialava'a band from Samoa. And apparently the song is played on C major chord. And the introduction of the song is the Samoan ingi, which is of course C, F, C, G, C, F, G, and C. The song starts at C. So the song goes like this: C, F, G, C, F, C, G, C7, F, C, A minor, D minor, C, 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 F, C, G, 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 C, 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 F, C, G, 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 C, C7, F, C, A minor, D minor, G, 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 C. Tala ole, e sili tama ole lole, e ala la po ai sau so kito, matunu pa ava tampo fe, awalo umoane ibole, tamu e pa ava ve mate ove, e se umai se ngatala mati sapole, tali ai olo ole, tama maya konsia tuau, bapa ama pana pana lo fatu, ya o tama tule apa mai mai, bapa bapa amoy moy. Yep, that's basically it. Yeah, I think that there are only two minor chords in the song, which are A minor and D minor at the chorus. And the reason for that is because of the break of the pinky in the song, while playing all the chords, the pinky is always moving up and down, playing the notes G, G there, and the note D, filling in the song with these two notes. For example, like when playing the chords, the pinky is used to play G like that. This is note G, the note G on the third fret, first string, like that, twice quickly. And when playing F, you do the same, but this time you play both the note G and the note D. The note D is on the third fret, string number 2. And C, you do the same with the note D. And when you get to the chord G, you use your pinky to play the note D, like that. And throughout the song, you keep on doing that. And which is pretty much why there are not that many minor chords in the song, because of the work of the pinky that's always playing notes throughout the song. I think it's to make the song sound happy, because it is a happy tune, and it's a very traditional tune to the Samoan people. I think that's all. Thank you for watching. Ka kite ano.